Good day. I would like to present a part of my research with title Reservoir Water Availability Potential Assessment Using SARIMA Modeling of Monthly Local Rainfall Data. My name is Kartono Purwanto Suripin from Universitas Diponegoro, Semarang. Introduction. Research location on Gembong Reservoir, Pati, Indonesia. The problems: environmental pressure on reservoir water availability is getting bigger. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic presents new challenges in water management. Urgency: forecasting water availability is required is sustainable reservoir management. The study aims to construct a monthly local rainfall forecasting model to assess the potential water availability in the reservoir. The main discussion focus on building the SARIMA model and assessing the potential water availability in the reservoir. Methodology: forecasting modeling based on local rainfall data at the monitoring station in Gembong Reservoir for the period 2007 until 2019 as learning and testing data. The data processing and analysis use statistical model. The SARIMA model is constructed based on the empirical data with iterative steps that include data standard testing, seasonal pattern testing, AR parameter testing, residual autocorrelation testing, model selection based on the SMOS MSE, validation for forecasting models with MASE. Result and discussion. 1. Building SARIMA model. The data stationary test show that the rainfall data of the Gembong Reservoir is stationary in the means. The autocorrelation function graph is in the form of sine waves, repeating starting from the 12 flag. So SARIMA is chosen with the MA models is 2 and for AR is 1 with S season is 12. Testing a parameter in AR model, zero hypothesis is rejected. The residual autocorrelation test in its error analysis with Lujung, Fox, Fierce test statistic, zero hypothesis is rejected. So, SARIMA models is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 12 was chosen. The model is validated using rainfall data for 2019 with MSE less than 1. 2. Assessment the potential reservoir water availability. Forecasting result with SARIMA model shows there is the increase in the accumulated reservoir average rainfall, so has the potential to cause the abundance of rainwater. Uncontrolled abundance of water has the potential the flooding, so mitigation of potential flooding needs to be considered in sustainable reservoir management. Conclusion: SARIMA prediction result warns that the vigilance attain potential flood disaster is greater than the potential for drought disaster, bearing in mind the capacity of the Gembong Reservoir to decrease with increasing sedimentation. The implementation of the new life adaptation of COVID-19 is a new challenge for managing reservoir water availability in the future. preparation and of local proactive policies in sustainable management of the Gombong Reservoir adjusted to availability of water in the rainfed reservoir open up opportunities for further research. Thank you for your attention.